Alright, I go talk business. Look, Mr. Martha. My office might not be much, but it have AC. You call me out here saying that heater. Now it's a abandoned place. What? This is a potential place as well where you want to do some work? What?
I don't really like the confinement. Rather the good outdoors, you know?
Okay, fair enough. So tell me, what is the status of the project we want up at the top of the hill? Because you tell me say you have other persons interested when I thought we had something sealed that's two away, no third party. So what is going on with that?
So once, it's a business, and you always are searching best business for you. So right now, that is what me I do. Put it out to tender and best one work for me.
But I would think that my record speaks for me. You know, get no better deal nowhere else.
Well, and always the record do it, you know, Mr. Wallace. You want to say energy for me. That's not what I say. So, this is what can go on. Huh?
A man of philosophy. Alright, can respect that.
Glad you understand. Let me hear your pitch now.
Alright. You see, part of my modus operandi has always been to provide low income housing to less fortunate people. People who can't afford the housing trust and all that have to go through different conglomerates to get them house. You have a young man, he's a YouTuber. I think his name is The Beast, who has been doing very well in this arena, providing houses over 100 in the Caribbean and I think 26 in Jamaica. Now, it's a shame that it takes people like him and myself to be doing it and not the government. But we can't wait upon government. So my thing has always been providing affordable housing for people who otherwise could not afford to. So I think over the hilltop is a perfect place to put at least 30 units where can house at least a 4 family, you know, in each. That's on my pitch. What do you think?
Good pitch, Mr. Wallace. But it's a businessman. You don't know, sir. You have the business and you have the real side. I already know who you are. So I know that you already know who I am.
You talk about your past runnings with the law. That don't really matter me much. For me, that's an ordinary Tuesday. I have had runnings myself. But I also look into your business practices. And I see that you stay true to your word. You don't screw people over. So, whatever you have going on the side with the law, that's your business. As long as it don't interfere with my business, they won't have a problem.
That, my friend, is when me I try to avoid from pen to paper. That's why I need to talk with the other contractor. See what I said? Because I do not want to be screwed over.
This other party, our potential partner, where exactly you're planning to do this project? The same location or somewhere else in the community?
No offense, Mr. Wallace, but certain things I like keeping close to my chest. Yeah? So, after transaction is complete, you will hear from me. Trust me.
my people reach out to you after you do whatever transaction you need to do with the other person?
Bull. One of the maintenance man. Good.
Alright.
Alright, Mr. Marvin.
That's
Look forward to hearing from you. Alright.
short away now.
That way? Well, that way I mean, I prefer to stick to him.
Good.
I don't know what you're telling me. I'm watching this. I don't know about.
Sanji, tell me something. Really put credence to them kind of things?
Yes, sir. I have reasons to believe.
What kind of reason?
Certain talk things and happen.
I talk things and it happen.
No, sir. Him see things before them happen.
Really? So where was he before I married my wife?
We just never know about it before.
Tell me something. Was this the tired man that I met at your house? The one where we had the encounter at the door?
Yes, sir.
The one where look and sound like a warrior man?
Sir, don't say that. Don't call him that.
So what?
Obi-Wan, sir, don't classify him as that. He
Okay.
prefers to be classified as a spiritual advisor.
Oh, so that's what he identifies as.
Yes, sir.
So I mustn't call him a...
Sir, please.
Okay, tell me again. I'm listening. Why are we in need of his services?